At Wagan Tech, we're all about making your life simple. You don't want to buy a bunch of lights for each individual task just to clutter up space. You want one light that is easy to use and can perform a variety of functions. Introducing the new FLEXXLITE from Wagan Tech. This light features 2 light heads. These are rechargeable and feature both a front flashlight with high and low settings and a side lantern with adjustable color temperatures. These heads are great for a ton of activities such as camping, vehicle maintenance, overlanding, or general use for both indoors and outdoors. And best of all, they are completely detachable. And with a magnetic grip, they are highly adaptable for all your work light needs. But that's not all. With its flexible neckband, not only can you direct light in all directions, but it can be wrapped around all kinds of objects to shine light in every nook and cranny. Compact, lightweight, easy to use. Simply put, the FLEXXLITE will be your go-to light. So take a look at this light on our website and let me know what you would use it for. This is the brand new FLEXXLITE by Wagan Tech.